Here we see Ferraristi. Ferraristi is a 4-year-old Oldenburg son of the Stallion Foundation who is successful at Grand Prix level under Matthias Alexander Rath. But just as noteworthy is his dam Hosandra. This daughter of Blue Horse Hotline, out of his Sandra hit, Welt hit O Dam, brought us, among others, the former P.S.I. top horse Ferrari OLD. Ferrari OLD became vice world champion of young dressage horses with his then rider Andreas Hegstrand. He is now residing at Ammerlandstadt and has commenced his Grand Prix career under his rider Rudi Wiedmann. It is great to see the full brother showing his full movement potential and quality under Evelyn. Ferraristi easily lives up to his family's reputation.